Hi. All right, we're doing math for Tuesday with Miss Acton. It's March 9th. Let's get started. So you should have already seen all these slides, the learning targets. We will produce an answer to a subtraction equation by using a strategy. We're either going to do stacking the numbers or models. Then you have three equations, three problems that you were solving. So now you're going to be checking your work. So now let's see if you got it right. So when you did this equation, solve this equation 56 minus 33, this is what it should have looked like. I'll show you with the models and with stacking the number. The first number is always messed up. 56 subtract 33. And then you make the number 56. Oh my goodness. Always does that to Miss Acton. Undo. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we take away 33, which means we need to take away 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. We can also do it on this side. We had 6 ones. We take away 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Leaves me with 3. I'm going to write a better 3 than that. Then we have 3 tens we need to take away. 1, 2, 3. That leaves me with 2 tens and 3 ones. I've got 5 tens over here with the equation. So I've got 5 tens. I take away 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. That leaves me with 2, 2. Both times my answer is 23. So you should have got the answer 23. And if you didn't, hopefully you saw where you messed up. And you can fix it the next time that we ask you to solve an equation like that. So the next one was a fill in the blank. So basically, you're starting with the number 22 and you're breaking the number 19 into partial sums. So the first thing we need to do is break it into tens and ones, which it only has one set of tens, so just a 10. So that's what we did first. We took away a 10 stick, subtract 10. So if I have 2 10 sticks and 2 ones and I take away 10 stick, that leaves me with 1 10 stick and 2 ones, which gives me the number 12. Then the number 12 falls down to the next equation. Now I need to break that number 9 into giving me another 10 because we like working with tens. So to get to 12, to get to 2, you have to take away 2, which gives you 10. And 10's a number that we work with a lot. You guys did that crazy amount in first grade. And then 10 minus 7, you can do that with your fingers if you want to. That gives you the answer 3. So that just basically shows you how you can start with a number and you can break the number you're subtracting into different parts, and it makes the equation easier for you. Next one is a word problem. So you should have read the word problem, then create an equation, and then solved it the best that you could. So our equation should be 41 subtract 25. Because Jerome had 41 Pokemon cards, and then there was 25 of them that were sticky, had gum on them, and he didn't want them. He couldn't wash it off, so he threw them away. So he's taking away from his collection. He no longer has those 25 anymore, so you have to take them away in order to find your answer. So your options are you can either stack the numbers. Oh, wrong button. Subtract them that way, or you can make the number 41 with your 10 sticks and 1's cubes, and then take away the number 25. So I can take away 1. That's not enough, so I got to go borrow one of my 10 sticks and say bye, Felicia. Do a magic trick. You're a magician. Turn into 10 ones, and now I can take away 5. 3, 4, 5. And just like over here, I don't have enough on top. I can't take away 5 from 1. I can only take away 0, or I can take away 1. That's all. So I have to change that number 1. And the way that I do that is I go next door and grab 10 more, kind of like how I did right here. I had 4 tens. I've got 4 tens. And if I take one of those away, it leaves me with 3 tens. So that number 1 changes to the number 11. Now I can do 11 subtract 5, which is 6. If you look over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 over there. Then 3 minus 2 equals 1. And take away 2 more of those. That gives me 1. So I've got 6 ones. 110. That gives me the number 16. Excuse me. I had to tickle my throat. Let me write the number 6. So again, either you saw where you messed up, made a silly mistake, and the next time that you get it, you'll be able to make sure you don't make that mistake again, or you got it right, and your drawing looks fantastic. And this last one was just fun. I hope you had fun doing this one. I do want to show you, in case you want to go back and try it again, because it is fun, that Some of these give away like easily. So for example, chicken turtle. There's no animal on here that looks like a chicken, but there is one that looks like a turtle. So you can probably get a good idea that that's what it is. This one, hummingbird hawk moth. So it could either be a hummingbird or a hawk or a moth, which hummingbirds and moths are both birds. Or a hummingbird and hawks are both birds, and then a moth. So I'm thinking it's either between this one and this one. But which one looks more like a moth, a hummingbird, and a hawk? Yeah, this one right here. And then you'll find that when you get to the next one, strange-tailed tyrant, the only animal on here that really has a tail that's kind of cool, strange, awesome looking is this guy right here. And the next one is a spiny lumpsucker. This one's kind of the one that I was like, they're not going to be able to get this one. They're going to have to figure this one out. So I'm going to leave this one blank. We're going to see if we can figure out what these two animals are. So the next one says tasseled wobbegong. So when I think of tassels, I think of like little bitty things that hang. Like a lot of people have earrings that are tassels, so they hang down. So I'm looking to see which one of these animals has stuff that's like hanging off of them. And I know I'm in the way a little bit. There's definitely this guy. He's got a bunch of stuff hanging off of him. Yeah. And then the next one is the goblin shark. So I'm like, which one of these looks more like a shark? This one definitely looks more like a fish. This one definitely looks more like a shark. It's got like, that bluish grayish skin. Oh, those things are creepy looking. I don't like them. And what a creepy name. So then it looks like our spiny lumpsucker is this cute little fish. How cute is this guy? Yep, so hopefully you got it in 6 tries after you stood and took a break and breathed and read some of those words, and hopefully you were able to get it in 6 tries like Miss X did. I hope you had fun. I'll see you guys tomorrow.